Good evening.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Okay, I will start with our introduction. And I'm Mr. Ndichu. I can see all of you are here. And I'm sharing with you my screen. Are you able to see it?
Not yet. Not yet.
I hope you are now able to see it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
That's only one person. The others?
We can see. We can see.
Okay. So I would like to start my presentation on introduction to AutoCAD. And our objectives for today are that by the end of this lesson, every learner should be able to explain what AutoCAD is, what it does, what are its features, and a brief history of it. The second objective is that every learner should be able to list the characteristics of the software and its features. Are we together up to that point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next thing we are going to define what AutoCAD is. As you know, auto is something that makes it more like automatic, but it is shortened to auto. Now, the CAD that is added, CAD, it is a term that means computer-aided design, and it applies to a wide range of programs that allows the user to create drawings, plans, and designs electronically. That means the use of computers. AutoCAD is one such program, and its main claim to fame are that it is relatively easy to use, it is very comprehensive in its ability to create 2D and some 3D drawings, and it is also very popular. So those are some of the characteristics of AutoCAD as the software. Also, it is important to note that 70% of computer-aided design users in the world use AutoCAD. Computer-aided drafting of a program, that is AutoCAD, it is the most common such program that it has many aids to drawing, construction plans, and detailed drawings. If changes are later made in the design, it is quick and easy to change the drawing in AutoCAD. And it saves considerable amount of time and money as compared to traditional prototyping, as well as facilitating communication and testing. Now, up to that point, you can see the screen that I indicated that drawing is the language of engineers. Maybe just to ask the class, who can try to explain that statement? Drawing is the language of engineers. Yes, anyone?
I give it a
I give
try.
it a try.
Okay, drawing is the language of engineering because from one engineer to another, the designs cannot be interpreted maybe by use of text. So it is through drawing and schematic diagrams, whereby we can be able to communicate and people to interpret the design concepts of different things.
That is a very good trial. I think he has clearly explained what it means. And with that, we continue. AutoCAD, or computer-aided design machine, has been of great help to engineers and also for several architecturers that are finding it impossible to deal with drawings and plans of the project engineering work and bring on the verge of perfection. AutoCAD, or known as commonly as computer-aided design, it is a software application for writing and designing two-dimensional and three-dimensional drawings, and it came on stage during the month of December 1982. It is a software application and used for drafting. Since 1982, it was a desktop application, and from 2010, it is a mobile web and cloud-based application, and it is currently marketed as AutoCAD 360. It was developed by and marketed by Autodesk Incorporation in the United States, and it was first released in 1982, having been purchased a year prior in its original form by Autodesk founder John Walker. The software is currently being marketed in its 18th generation. So, I'm going to leave the class with you. I'll send you copies for you to install in your computers so that we can experience the various features. You can see the display of a window after you install it, and after you install, you can be able to navigate through that window, and we are going to cover that during our next lesson. And with that, I would like us to have a recap of what we have studied today. We have known what AutoCAD is. It is a computer-aided design. It is a software which you are going to install, and that will form part of your assignment. Just give it a try, and also we are going to check on that by the next class. So that will be enough for today, and we meet during the next lesson. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you, Madam.
Good. Haya, unajua ni nani?